Welcome guys and girls, I am Parandroid, the instructor of this video course of the Electronic Music Production Masterclass. In this masterclass you will truly learn about all the different aspects of the creation of electronic music. The course is really extensive. To talk about everything that is inside the course here in this welcoming video would be a little bit overdose, so I'm just gonna put it here on the screen or here on the screen, so you can see all the different topics that we will go through. And this course might be expanding, so there might be even more in the future. But let's get a little bit into me. Who am I? I am an electronic music producer since 2008. I have traveled to all continents, played in about 30 countries worldwide, and this is what I did my whole adult life. I'm a music producer for all my life. All my life is about creation of sonic waves, of vibration. And I love to share that information with others. I love to give that knowledge to others. So I am honored to be your teacher in this course. We use a special system. It's called a learning management system. And that system enables us to have a proper course structure and also basically the framework for you guys to join in the course and to access all the great information and learning material that is available there. What is also included in the course, by the way, is 3 consultations. If you're enrolled in this course, every 4 weeks I'm going to sit down with you and we're going to assess where you are, if you could work well with the course material, if you actually gained knowledge and progressed as a music producer or as a musician. Music production has a lot of parts. There is, of course, stuff like mixing, there is stuff like mastering, there is stuff like microphoning, there is stuff like acoustics, there is music theory and synthesis, and then there are many subparts of those again. We'll go through all of that. This is really the complete package, including complex things such as acoustics and music theory. But in order to get you there, I have compiled and have written a lot of learning material for you in written form as well as video lessons, so that you have the best possible outcome from the course. Thanks so much for participating in this masterclass. Welcome to a journey of expanding your horizon when it comes to the creation of music. I'm really amped and happy that you are on board. There's so much to learn. Let's get it on. If you are already enrolled, there's nothing which stops you from learning. You can start right away and get into the courses. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next video course, I guess. Peace out.